If every time you stand up, your knees creak like an old wooden chair, or if your morning walk feels more like a struggle than a stretch, you're not alone. Millions of seniors wake up every day battling the same silent enemy, collagen loss. This isn't just about aging, it's about your body losing the very protein that keeps your joints smooth, flexible, and pain-free. Without collagen, your knees stiffen, your cartilage thins, and every movement becomes a reminder of what you've lost. But here's the good news. Science now shows that you can rebuild collagen naturally, and it starts right on your plate. Yes, certain vegetables hold a secret power to restore your joints, strengthen your knees, and say goodbye to stiffness forever. In today's video, we'll reveal 7 collagen-rich vegetables that most people ignore, yet they can transform your mobility and end years of pain if eaten daily. Stay till the end, because number 7 is something you've probably eaten your whole life but never realized it was quietly healing your joints all along. Collagen is like the body's internal glue. It holds your bones, muscles, and joints together. As we age, our body produces less of it, and that's when pain, stiffness, and cracking joints begin to show up. But here's the exciting truth. Certain vegetables can actually trigger your body to produce more collagen naturally, rebuilding your cartilage and keeping your joints strong even in your 70s or 80s. The first one is spinach, a leafy green powerhouse packed with vitamin C, magnesium, and plant-based compounds that help your body make collagen. Vitamin C is crucial because collagen can't form without it. Think of it as the spark that lights the collagen-building fire. When seniors eat spinach regularly, whether in salads, soups, or smoothies, their joints start to feel more lubricated. Next comes broccoli, often underestimated but incredibly powerful for joint health. Broccoli contains a unique compound called sulforaphane, which slows down the breakdown of cartilage and blocks inflammatory enzymes that eat away at your joints. This means broccoli doesn't just support collagen production, it actually protects the collagen you already have. Our third hero is kale, often called the king of greens. Kale is rich in vitamin C and chlorophyll, both of which help your body regenerate tissues faster. But here's something many people don't know. Chlorophyll, the green pigment that gives kale its color, actually helps your body produce pro-collagen, which is the raw material your cells use to make collagen fibers. The fourth vegetable on the list is red bell pepper, a bright, colorful veggie that does much more than just decorate your plate. Red peppers are loaded with vitamin C, carotenoids, and capsaicin. Vitamin C boosts collagen, while carotenoids fight oxidative stress that breaks down joint tissues. Moving on, number 5 is tomato, nature's richest source of lycopene. Lycopene protects collagen in your skin and joints from oxidative damage. Think of it as an invisible shield that keeps your cartilage safe from free radicals. The sixth vegetable is carrot, the humble root that quietly supports your collagen from the inside out. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which protect joint tissues and stimulate collagen synthesis. And finally, number 7, beetroot. The vegetable most people underestimate when it comes to joint healing. Beets improve blood circulation, which is crucial because, collagen-building nutrients need proper blood flow to reach your joints. They're packed with nitrates, which help widen blood vessels, ensuring your knees, hips, and shoulders get a fresh oxygen supply. Now that you know these 7 vegetables, the next question is, how do you combine them effectively? You don't need to eat them all at once. The trick is consistency. Choose 2 or 3 to include daily. 1 green, 1 colorful, and 1 root. It's also important to know what not to eat. Excess sugar, processed foods, and deep-fried snacks destroy collagen rapidly. They cause glycation, a process where sugar molecules attack collagen fibers, making them weak and brittle. If you're trying to rebuild cartilage, cutting down sugar is just as important as eating these vegetables. Similarly, drinking enough water is key because, collagen is made up of about 60% water. Many seniors also ask, can these vegetables replace collagen supplements? The answer is, for most people, yes. While supplements can help, real food provides supporting nutrients that pills just can't. Natural collagen synthesis needs cofactors like vitamin C, copper, zinc, and amino acids, all found in these vegetables. If you start adding these vegetables regularly, you may begin to feel noticeable changes in 2 to 3 weeks. The stiffness in your knees will begin to fade. You'll walk with more comfort, sit and stand without that grinding pain, and even climb stairs more easily. So, the next time you visit the grocery store, don't just pick vegetables for flavor. Pick them for freedom. Every bite of spinach, broccoli, kale, or beetroot is a step toward pain-free movement. Your body is waiting to heal. It just needs the right nutrients. And the best part? These are not expensive superfoods or rare herbs. They're simple, affordable, and right within your reach. Now that you know which vegetables can rebuild collagen and ease joint pain, let's bring it all together. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your knees don't hurt anymore when you step out of bed. You walk to the kitchen with ease, your movements smooth and steady. That's what happens when your body begins to restore its natural collagen supply. You know, the key isn't in doing something extraordinary, it's really in doing the simple things consistently. Spinach, kale, and broccoli become your body's daily repair team, working quietly to rebuild what years of wear and tear have taken away. Red bell peppers and tomatoes protect your collagen from breaking down, while carrots and beets keep blood flow and nutrients constantly reaching your joints. These 7 vegetables together create a powerful circle of healing. Anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and rejuvenating all at once. To make these veggies more effective, pair them with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado. Collagen formation requires fat-soluble vitamins, and these oils help your body absorb nutrients better. Adding a squeeze of lemon juice on salads can boost vitamin C intake, amplifying collagen synthesis even more. You can even make a simple daily habit. Drink beetroot and carrot juice in the morning, eat spinach and tomato for lunch, and finish your day with a bowl of warm kale and broccoli soup. Within a few weeks, you'll start noticing changes. Less stiffness, smoother walking, and a sense of lightness in your legs and shoulders. But there's something even deeper happening when you nourish your body this way. You're not just feeding your joints, you're restoring your body's ability to heal itself. As seniors, the goal isn't just to live longer, it's to live with freedom, to move without fear of pain, and to stay independent. Every serving of these vegetables becomes a small act of self-care, a message to your body that says, I'm still strong, I'm still capable. So, don't wait for the pain to get worse or rely entirely on medication. Start with your plate. Fill it with color, life, and healing. Because your knees, hips, and shoulders deserve it. Collagen isn't lost forever. Your body can rebuild it if you give it what it needs. Start today, one meal at a time, and soon you'll be saying the words you've been longing to say. Goodbye knee pain, goodbye stiffness, and hello to a stronger, pain-free life. And if this video inspired you, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who deserves to walk freely again.